In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete emails in the Gmail app. 5 minutes. First, open Gmail and make sure you're signed into the account you want to clean up. If you're using the Gmail app on your phone, know that the true select all option isn't available in the app itself. The fastest way to bulk delete is to use Gmail in a web browser. On a phone or tablet, you can still do this by opening Gmail in your browser and switching to the desktop site. On a computer, just go to your inbox as usual. At the top of your inbox, look for the small checkbox above your message list. It's near the refresh icon and above the first email. Click that checkbox. This instantly selects the emails currently visible on the first page of your inbox. By default, Gmail shows a limited number of messages per page, often 50. So right now, you've only selected what you can see on that first page. To select everything in the current view, look for a blue link that appears just above your emails after you click the checkbox. It will say something like select all conversations in inbox. Click that blue text. This changes your selection from just the first page to every conversation in that section, whether you're in primary, social, promotions, or the main inbox view. With everything selected, click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can in the toolbar above your messages. Gmail will move all selected emails to the trash. Don't worry, this isn't permanent right away. Items in the trash are kept for 30 days before they're automatically and permanently removed. If you change your mind right after deleting, look for the small undo prompt that appears at the bottom of the screen and click it to bring the messages back. A couple of quick tips to keep you safe and efficient. If you only want to bulk delete a certain type of email, consider applying a search first, like filtering by sender or subject, then follow the same selection and delete steps on those results. Also, check any important labels or starred messages before you delete, especially if you've selected all conversations, to avoid removing something you still need. Finally, if you're cleaning up a very large inbox, the deletion may take a moment to process. Just let Gmail finish the action. That's it. You've opened Gmail, selected all messages, expanded that selection to every conversation in your inbox, and sent them to the trash with a single click. Clean, quick, and done.